with you. Okay, this is the instrument that we use in order for us to measure and draw angles. Okay, we can use this in drawing angles and of course to measure what is the measure of the angle. We can use the protractor. Okay, the size of an angle is measured in degrees. So the unit of measurement for the angles is degrees. That is this one. You see the small circle? That is the symbol for degree. Okay, and we use it as a unit of measurement in measuring angles. Okay, now with your protractor, if you look at your protractor, this is the center mark. You see the center mark? Are you looking at your protractor? In my protractor, this is the center mark. Okay, in some protractors, some of it are just like a hole.
Like this?
Yes, like look at Enter's protractor. It has hole. Okay, so this is the center mark. This line in here that is aligned with 0, that one, this is what we call the baseline. So this is the baseline, not this one. You might think that this is the baseline. No,
This one, teacher.
this is the baseline.
This one.
Where?
The dark one. This one.
Yes, this is the baseline. This one. Okay? That's the baseline. And then, you see this 0, this blue, the numbers that are in blue, this is the inner scale. And the numbers that are in green, this is the outer scale. Okay? Later, I'm going to explain when are we going to use the inner scale and the outer scale. Okay? So this is inner, that's why it's inside. And then this is the outer scale. That's why it is outside. Inner scale, outer scale. So what are the terms that we are going to use? We have the center mark, baseline, inner scale, and outer scale. Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Alright, remember those terms, okay? Now, how are we going to measure the angles? Look at this. So, for example, this angle, what is the name of this angle?
ABC.
This is angle A, B, C, or angle C, B, A. A, B, C, or C, B, A. So, what is our vertex?
The vertex is at the middle point. The what do you call it? The center mark.
So, the vertex is this B, right? Now, in measuring the angle, the vertex of our angle, which is B, should be aligned with the center mark. Okay? You understand? When you are going to measure the angle, the vertex of the angle should be aligned at the center mark. You're going to put your protractor at the vertex. Okay, at the vertex. The center mark of your protractor should be at the vertex. Okay? Next, one line of your angle, which is the line AB. This is the line AB. Line AB. One line of your angle should be aligned with the what? What is this?
The center mark.
No.
The vertex.
No.
The red
What do you
dot.
call this line?
Baseline.
Oh, the base.
Baseline.
Baseline.
Okay. So, line AB should be aligned with the baseline. You understand? Now, how are we going to read or to measure the angle? How do you know if we are going to use the inner scale or the outer scale? We are going to use the scale where the 0 is. Okay? So like for this one, this is our line, the line of the angle that we're going to use, and it passes through this 0, right? You see the zero mark?
Yes.
It passes through the 0. Since the 0 is here, where our line is passing through, it means we are going to use this scale. What is the scale? Inner or outer?
Outer.
Outer scale.
Outer
So
scale.
we're going to use the outer scale in measuring this kind of angle. Okay? Outer scale. Each of the small line is equal to 1 degree. Each of the big line is equal to 5 degrees. Okay? Now, you see there's numbers in there. That's the counting of the degrees. So by looking at that, this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You're going to measure from the first line until the second line of your angle. What is the measure?
90.
90 degrees. Right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 90 degrees. Do you understand?
Yeah, so that line is 90 degrees. That angle is 90
That angle, that's the angle. Okay, the angle is 90 degrees. The measurement of the angle is 90 degrees. Do you understand how we get it?
Yes.
How about the others? Do you understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Let us have another example. Look at this. So this is angle DEF or angle FED. Right? What is the vertex? The vertex is in point E. Okay? Now, vertex at the center mark. One line of your angle should be aligned with the baseline, and it's already aligned in there. Where is the 0? We are going to use the inner scale because our line passed through this 0. So what is the measure of this angle?
55 degree.
This is 55 degrees. Okay, why? From 0, count until there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And it's exactly at the middle. So that is 55 degrees. Okay?
Celsius.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Alright. Last example that I'm going to show you. Okay, this time we are going to use without we're going to use our protractor or my protractor. I have here an online protractor. Okay, we're going to measure this one using the protractor. Okay, look at this angle. This is the angle. Maybe I have to name this. I will name it as angle X, Y, Z. All right. So I will name it angle X, Y, Z. What is our vertex?
Y.
The vertex is Y. All right. This is our, what do you call this one?
Vertex.
The center mark.
The center mark.
Yes, the center mark. And we're going to assign this or align to the vertex. Okay? All right. So this should be aligned to the vertex. And then, so what if, for example, the protractor is like that? So you're going to align this to the vertex. Let's say that's the vertex. And then one line should be aligned with the
Baseline.
So we're going to move it and go to the baseline. Okay, baseline.
And then we move it
the
again.
center mark. Okay, center mark, which is the vertex, and then one line is at the baseline. What is the measure of our angle now? Look,
So
what's the measure?
I think it's 56.
What did we use? Inner scale or outer scale?
Inner scale.
Inner scale, because the 0 is here. Oh, inner scale. So it is,
I think
it's
56.
56
Just
degrees.
one mark across. Degrees.
Okay, 56 degrees.